Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to get a domain on your server. To get a domain on Server.pro, it's super simple. All you have to do is head to this page here. Before we begin, it's important to know that this is a new feature we added, so there might still be some changes and updates we're making. This is just to ensure everything is working correctly. Domains are also non-refundable as per our terms of service as well. To get a domain, all you have to do is search up the one you want here at the top. For example, I'm going to be entering something random and seeing what domains I can buy. Here it seems this random domain is available, so I'll be clicking that. As you can see here, you just have to enter your details and then press buy domain to purchase it. After that's done, you'll be redirected to this page where you can view the overview of your domain. You may be told that you have to verify your email before proceeding at the top here. I'll be doing that and following the link. Now in the domain overview, you can also disable auto renew if you'd like, edit the whois privacy and much more. What you want to do is head to DNS so you can then connect the domain to your servers. All you have to do is press the link server button and then select which server you want to link to the domain. The process is super simple at Server.pro. If you want to add yet another server, you can also do that and add a subdomain so you know the difference between the two. Once that's done, you just have to click create and that's it. Now to test if the server is connected, simply copy the domain you just bought and open up Minecraft. Now in Minecraft, head to multiplayer, add server and then paste the domain. As you can see, it instantly works and redirects you to your desired server. This way you can give your friends or other players your custom domain instead of a super long one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!